Blackmagic's URSA Mini and the subsequent G2 version and their other line of products have revolutionized broadcast, live event, and multicam production forever. It made shooting professional content so much cheaper and faster while maintaining image quality and proving that while perhaps not as perfect as some other cameras, it was no doubt a heavyweight contender ready to compete. It has allowed for sporting events, esports, network TV shows, commencements, comedy specials, and so much more content to be shot professionally that would have never been able to be produced in the years prior to its arrival on the market. What impresses me most about the Blackmagic URSA is the flexibility of the backside and the flexibility of the mounts. This is the only professional broadcast camera on the market that has an interchangeable mount. You can go from SMPTE camera fiber converter or V-mount to gold mount battery. The camera comes standard with the V-mount back in the box. Choosing neither of these options and running off AC power is an option as well and continues to speak to the flexibility of the Blackmagic URSA G2. As for the lens mount, there is no other camera on the market, broadcast, prosumer, or consumer that comes with an interchangeable lens mount. For a very nominal cost, you can purchase a PL or EF mount and replace the native V4 mount. This has allowed me to shoot things like comedy specials with PL mount cinema camera lenses and shoot other shoots with standard broadcast lenses. I've been engaged in conversations often about how great or not great, mainly because of price limitations of the RCP, which can be addressed by purchasing some other open source gear, or over the durability and reliability of the cameras, CCUs, and ATEM system. The biggest upside of this camera, of course, is the price. And all those are valid arguments. However, I personally own 8 of these units, 8 fiber bags, 8 studio viewfinders. We have constellations, other ATEM switchers, ISOs, we have Terranets, and a whole fleet of Blackmagic equipment to complement our other non-Blackmagic equipment. And I say this speaking for thousands of small business owners, network executives, churches, etc. It would not be possible to produce this much content without this price point and the intuitiveness of these Blackmagic products. And I should remind you, this is not a paid ask. I'm simply just speaking my truth.